when it comes to crafting the perfect Irish coffee with Jameson. There's a subtle art you have to master, and it all starts with choosing your coffee. You want a rich, dark roast that'll complement the bold flavors of Jameson. A common pain point I see is people using coffee that's too weak, which throws off the balance entirely. Uh, Next, let's talk about the whiskey. Uh, Jameson is the go-to choice here for its smooth, crisp profile, but a little known pro tip is to slightly warm the whiskey before it hits the glass. Just let it mingle with that hot coffee for enhanced aromas. Remember, Irish coffee hinges on that whiskey coffee dance. Now, the glass, you want something that retains heat. A glass mug is classical, but keep in mind the problem of glass breaking from sudden temperature changes. Preheat your mug with some hot water beforehand to avoid this fiasco. This little step saves your drink and your spirits. All right.
Let's get on to the pouring ritual.
Start by adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar into your warmed mug. This sugar gives a depth far superior to white sugar, and I can't stress this enough. Stir it well with the coffee until completely dissolved. Miss this step and your drink falls flat. Now's the time for the hero of our drink, Jameson, and add about 5 ounces shot glass, give or take. This ensures you get that warm Irish bite without overpowering your coffee's bitterness. Measure by pouring into the shot glass first to avoid rookie overpouring mistakes. Time for the grand finale. Cream. Lightly whipped cream is key here. When you whisk cream, it should flow effortlessly off a spoon without resistance. Gently pour it over the back of a spoon, held over the mug, letting it float atop the coffee. This creates that signature layered look. Here's a visual tip. Cat.
Maintain that distinct line between the cream and coffee.
It's not just for looks. It's where the flavors meet beautifully. Remember that sick through the cream is the sensation that makes Irish coffee unique, with each component hitting your palate. Let's address temperature for a moment. The cream should be cool enough to contrast with the hot coffee, but not ice cold. A room temperature float keeps everything cohesive. This balance of warmth beneath and cool above adds to that iconic warming experience. And hey, some folks love a little garnish action. A sprinkle of nutmeg or a shaving of chocolate can add that extra zing, but this is optional. Remember, the core flavors should sing without being overpowered. Garnishing can elevate but shouldn't steal the show. Take a moment now to savor before sipping. Appreciate that aroma, a harmony of coffee bean richness, sweet whiskey notes, and creamy decadence. And your sensory journey begins here. An Irish coffee isn't just a drink, it's an experience in a mug. And feel the warmth literally and figuratively. Another pro move, pair this Irish coffee with a simple snack, can biscotti or a buttery shortbread. Those flavors intermingle exquisitely. The coffee's richness, the whiskey's warmth, and the soft, creamy top all work in perfect harmony with a crisp bite alongside. And remember, practice makes perfect. Your first attempt might not land perfectly, but don't stress. Each cup you craft brings you one step closer to your ideal balance of flavors. Enjoy the process, learn from each brew, and you'll master Irish coffee with Jameson in no time.